Hey guys, just want to do a quick review and unboxing of these pneumatic airline fittings sent to me by Hotop. They're push connect fittings. They're really kind of cool and very easy. They come in a big bag like this. There's 60 in here, just to let you know. And there's different pieces. There's actually 60 total. Each one of them there's 15 splitters, 15 elbows, 15 T's, and 15 straight tubes. They have different sizes available. They have a 1/4 inch old. They have 1/2 inch, they have 3/8, different ones, 6 millimeters, they have all different ones available. Now this one here's a 1/4 inch. If you're doing anything with kind of that type of work, if you're doing things yourself, and just really cool. Now what's cool about this is they give you all the different options what I like, and I want to just show you what they look like. So here is the 45, right? So how these work, they're push to connect. So you push the tube in and they lock in, okay? And you can see this just snaps in and out. So that's how when you push it in, it locks it in. And you want to reuse them. If you want to disconnect it, you just push this in, pull the tube out, and that's how it disconnects. So it's really easy and really, really simple. I like this design quite a bit. So let's just go over all the different ones here. So you have the 45-degree, again, push to connect, super easy, made very well. Okay, it also has the connection. So if you want to connect this to a board, if you're running it around if you're setting it all up, I like also it has the holes here. So you can put screws, nails, you can actually attach these as you're building your lines. You can have that, which is I like that. That's really kind of cool. Here's a straight line here. So if you want to just put them together, so you're looking to put two together, and this is easy enough to do that. So that's really easy. I like that. Here's a splitter. I like that too. Again, with the hole, so you can connect it. So splitter, and everything's all the same idea. They're all push to connect. And I think that's really super smart. So if something doesn't work out the correct way, or something happens with the line, you just take out the old line, put the new line in, and then reconnect it. And I like that quite a bit. So you get the splitters. Here is a T. You have the T, again with the mounting screws here. Again, all the same configuration. Super easy to attach and use, just 1/4 inch lines, whatever size you need. Again, comes in the big bag. And then you have your 45, you have your T's, you have your lines. I mean, they're built very, very well. Nice quality. I like this as well. If you want to run a couple, one line in and then 2 lines out, something specifically, you get 2 specific motors doing something or something happening. The splitter is really cool. And again, comes in this big bag. There's 60 of them, and it's great value. Again, nice high quality. You can see, I really want you to see the quality of this. Really, it's all about the quality, right? Push to connect, you can see that. Super easy, right? Pop the line in, you want to take the line out, you just push it in, it releases it, the pressure comes right out. You can see inside there, it's all metal, so it grabs it inside. You can see it inside there, there's metal in there. And that grabs the tube and locks it in. And the compression, it holds quite a bit of PSI. That's not a problem. It just really works well. And I like this set here, so that way you have no issues. So I definitely highly recommend this. The company did send them to me to do a review and to show you what they look like and give you an idea on the quality. And the quality is good. So the quality is excellent. You can just see how they're well made. Everything snaps back and forth. And definitely highly recommend these if you're looking for this type of pneumatic pressure fittings. Definitely the way to go. I love them. I think they're going to work quite well, and they're made very, very well. All right, that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoy that. And again, comes in a big bag like you see here, tons of them, and you'll never run out of them. It's a great deal. Fantastic. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Appreciate your time.